everyone, welcome back to Story Time with Hajira. Today we are reading Go Green with Sesame Street. It's Earth Day, Cookie Monster. So let's get started. Home sweet home. Planet Earth, home to every person, animal, and most important, monster. We can all work together to take care of Earth. Our amazing Earth. Earth is a special place from space. It looks like a big blue and green ball. Earth looks like big blue cookie to me. You can't eat Earth cookie. Earth gives all creatures places to live and air to breathe. Those birds are beautiful, just like you, big bird. Every day we can enjoy Earth. We can go for walks or play outside. I love the prairie at dawn. Ahem. The first Earth Day. A man named Gaylord Nelson wanted people to celebrate Earth. Mr. Nelson was a U.S. Senator from the state of Wisconsin. Mr. Nelson thought everyone should take care of Earth. Senator Nelson organized the first Earth Day. Earth Day happens on April 22nd. Yay! Earth Day! We love to celebrate! Soon, people around the world began to celebrate Earth Day. Earth Day celebrations. People celebrate Earth Day in different ways. Some people have parades. I will count the people. 1, 2, 3. You got a lot of counting to do. So many people love Earth. Kids recycle to make colorful pictures. The art reminds people to take care of Earth. Wow! That is so pretty! Just like Earth! Some people plant gardens. Plants give us food and help keep the air clean. Plants are good for Earth. Planting veggies, yummy way to celebrate Earth. Many people help clean up Earth. They pick up trash at parks, beaches, and streams. Come on, Oscar. You'll love this. Let's go pick up trash. Cleaning up helps to keep Earth healthy. When we celebrate Earth Day, we celebrate our home. We work to make it a better place to live. I love my home. And Earth is home to everyone. Which Earth Day idea is your favorite? How could you celebrate Earth Day? Happy Earth Day! Earth Day every day. Every day is a good day to celebrate Earth. Here's how you can help. Put trash where it belongs. Plant flowers, trees, or vegetables. Recycle paper, plastic, and glass. What else can you recycle? For short trips, how about walking or biking instead of riding in a car? Elmo wants to help too. Wonderful walk. Make your own art with the wonders you find on a walk. Number 1, go for a family walk outdoors. Number 2, collect things such as twigs, leaves, and acorns for your art project. But be careful. Don't touch things you don't know about and use only things already on the ground. Number 3, when you get home, spread out your collection. Make a beautiful picture.